Hello students, welcome to Surfsets classes. Today I am going to solve ISI BSTAT 2019 objective question paper. Now it is question number 6. A father wants to distribute a certain sum of money between his daughter and son in such a way that if both of them invest their shares in the scheme that offers compound interest at 25 by 3% per annum for T and T plus 2 years respectively. In case of daughter, it is for T, and for son it is T plus 2 years. Then the two shares grow to become equal. Then both of their shares will be equal. If son's share was rupees 4320, then the total money distributed by the father was, we have to calculate. Here option A rupees 9360, option B rupees 9390, option C rupees 16590, option D rupees 16640. Now we have different. The total amount given by father is P, and daughter get PD, and son's share is PS. Now total share after T years total share after investing the money for T years will be PD into 1 plus 25 by 3 by 100 20, and son's share will invest in a scheme will be after T plus 2 years, plus 25 by 3 by 100 to T plus 2. They are equal, so it is equal. Now from here we will get PD by PS equal to, here we are getting PD by PS equal to 1 plus 25 by 3 by 100 whole square, as 1 plus 25 by 3 by 100 whole to the power T cancelled from both sides. Now it is equal to 1 plus 1 by 12 whole square. Now adding 1 both sides, we get PD plus PS by PS equal to 1 plus 1 by 12 whole square plus 1 equal to 12 plus 1 by 12. 13 square by 12 square plus 1 equal to 169 by 144 plus 1 equal to 169 plus 144 by 144. So 9 313 by 144. Now PD plus PS equal to total money father gave. P equal to P equal to PD plus PS. So P equal to P by PS equal to 313 by 144. So from here P equal to 313 by 144 into PS. Now we have PS equal to 4320. So getting P equal to 313 by 144 into 4320. Now 3 into 144 about 12 4320. So it is so it is 30. Now it will go to 09 939. Answer is option B. Option B is correct. Thank you.